Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of creative question answer from chapter 6. I am repeating, our today's topic is creative question answer from chapter 6. Students, this is our 5th lecture and 5th SW. I am repeating, this is our 5th lecture and 5th SW. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll do creative question answer 1 from chapter 6. Students, here is the stem and I am reading the stem. Mamun studies in class 6. He can solve problems with his intellect and sense of justice. He does well in the exams. However, he is going through physical and emotional changes that occur during puberty. Students, we have learned the summary of chapter 6. And in this chapter, we learned that during puberty, there are different kinds of changes such as physical, mental, emotional, moral, social, this type of changes. Now you have to answer some questions. Our first question is, what is emotion? I'm repeating, our first question is, what is emotion? The answer is, when any external event we experience rouses our feelings, for example, smile, tears, anger, joy, fear, affection, etc. These feelings or expressions are called emotions. I'm repeating, when any external event we experience rouses our feelings, for example, smile, tears, anger, joy, fear, affection, etc. These feelings or expressions are called emotion. It means when we are happy, we used to smile, and when we are sad, we used to shed tears, and when we are angry, we used to show our anger. So like this, when we will show our feelings, it will be called emotion. Now come to number B. The question is, what do you understand by acceptable social behavior? I'm repeating, the question is, what do you understand by acceptable social behavior? The answer is, our character reflects through our etiquettes. Living in a society requires behaving in a certain way, which is acceptable to all. For instance, friendliness, respect, participation in good works, kindness, obeying rules, etc. All admire such social behavior. So it means when we show our friendliness, will respect others, and will participate in good works, will be kind to people, and we will be obeying for every rules, it will call social behavior. And if we are able to show this type of behaviors, people will think that the person is mannered person. Now come to number C. Explain the ways to increase Mamu's intellect. I'm repeating, explain the ways to increase Mamu's intellect. Students, from this stem, you have to write the ways how Mamu can increase or develop his intellect. You can write like this. People can cope up with the surroundings by their strong mental capabilities. The ways to increase Mamu's intellect are given below. Number 1, by reading different types of books, newspapers beside textbooks. It means not only textbook but also you have to read books and newspapers. If Mamun reads books and newspapers besides textbook, he can increase his intellect. Number 2, looking for answers to satisfy curiosity. When Mamun will be curious, he must have to look for answer. Number 3, understanding the matters or situation before solving the problems. So when Mamun will solve any problem, and before solving the problem he have to think properly, because without thinking no problem can be solved properly. Now come to number 4, understanding own responsibilities through group discussion. Students, we know we all have some friends or group. So through group we can make discussion and can understand our own responsibilities. So through this way Mamun can intellect. Number 5, to remember something he has to observe carefully and listen attentively. So this way will be helpful for Mamun's intellect. Number 6, taking interest in current affairs. So all have to take interest in recent affairs or current affairs to cope up with the world. Now number 7, by participating in different types of works. So when one will participate in different kinds of works, obviously in good works he can increase his intellect. Number 8, exchanging ideas through group works. When we'll do any work in group, we can exchange our ideas, can share our ideas and can develop our ideas. So these are the ways. By following these ways, Mamun can develop his intellect. Now we'll learn number D. The question is, give your opinion on the significance of Mamun's mental growth in attaining success. I'm repeating the question. Give your opinion on the significance of Mamun's mental growth in attaining success. Students, you can write like this. The answer is, for the development of a child, certain issues have to be taken care of to ensure physical and emotional well-being. These developments help a child attain success. Mamun reads poems, stories and newspapers. Before memorizing, he reads his books thoroughly. In addition, he exchanges his opinions with classmates and tries to understand his responsibilities through group discussion and group works. He pays attention to the class lectures. When he is curious or is in doubt, he asks for answers politely. Such behavior makes him aware of his life and his surroundings, thus making him attain success in life. So, by maintaining these ways, that means he reads poems, stories and newspapers besides textbook. Before memorizing, he reads his books thoroughly. So, he is an intellect boy and he maintains these ways. Look here, he exchanges his opinions with classmates and tries to understand his responsibilities through group discussion. As we said in the answer of number C, the ways he followed here, and through this he attains success in life. Students, your homework will be creative question answer ABC from 1. I'm repeating, your homework will be creative question answer 1 ABC. That means it will be number A, B and C. Students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 5 and homework number is also 5. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. you have to submit your SW copies because you will get your city, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your homeworks. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies on every Sunday and collect your previous copies on next Sunday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.